Have you ever seen a manufacturer list certifications and wonder what any of it actually means? Certifications can sound like alphabet soup, but they're important because they help OEMs evaluate risk, quality, and consistency. Today, we're breaking down the most common certifications in manufacturing and why they matter. What are manufacturing certifications? Well, certifications are third-party validations of a company's processes and standards that show that a manufacturer follows documented systems for quality, traceability, safety, consistency, continuous improvement, etc. They don't guarantee perfection, but they do show commitment to controlled processes. In general, certifications help reduce surprises. As such, depending on the industries, OEMs often require various certifications before even considering a supplier. What are the most common manufacturing certifications? Well, let's start with ISO 9001. This is the baseline quality certification and is probably the most common across manufacturing. It demonstrates consistent quality processes and improves traceability and documentation. ISO 9001 applies across industries, so you'll see it everywhere from machining to molding to assembly shops. Next, we have AS 9100. This certification describes aerospace level quality and is built on ISO 9001, but with additional aerospace requirements. It features a heavy focus on traceability and risk management and is a common requirement for aerospace and defense manufacturing. Similar to the last one, we have ITAR. ITAR stands for International Traffic in Arms Regulation and applies to companies working with defense-related products, data, or technologies. It focuses on controlling who can assess sensitive technical information and components, and is important for aerospace, defense, military, and certain electronic manufacturers. Something that's important to clarify, ITAR is not technically a certification, it's a US government regulatory requirement for select industries. Then there's IATF 16949. This is the most common automotive manufacturing certification. It's used by automotive suppliers and deals with defect prevention and process control. Additionally, this certification places a strong emphasis on continuous improvement. Next is ISO 13485. This is a measure of quality systems specifically for medical devices. This certification emphasizes traceability, cleanliness, and risk management and is important for medical molding, electronics, and assemblies. Then we have ISO 14001. This certification is all about environmental management and reducing environmental impact. ISO 14001 shows a commitment to sustainability and compliance and helps with waste reduction and energy management. It is increasingly requested by large OEMs as ESG and sustainability goals grow. Next, we have IP certifications such as IPC A610 and J Standard 001. These certifications define quality standards for electronics assembly and soldering. They are frequently required in PCB assemblies and EMS work. Then there are UL certifications. These are also important for electrical products and assemblies. They verify safety compliance and are often required before products can be sold or installed. In addition to these, there are several other important compliance areas depending on the markets, such as FDA registration, RoHS compliance, REACH compliance, and CMMC compliance. I know that's a lot of certifications. Don't worry, there won't be a quiz or anything after this. So, why do OEMs care about certifications? Certifications help OEMs evaluate quality systems, repeatability, documentation, process control, risk reduction, and much more. This can be very important, especially in regulated industries. But certifications are only part of the picture. A certification alone doesn't automatically make someone the right supplier. Experience, communication, engineering support, responsiveness, and fit still matter. The best supplier isn't just certified, they're capable, responsive, and aligned with your project. In conclusion, certifications help create confidence and consistency in manufacturing. Different industries prioritize different standards, and understanding them helps both OEMs to make smarter sourcing decisions and suppliers to make strategic operating choices. We threw a lot of acronyms out there today, but now we want to hear from you. What's one certification or compliance requirement customers ask about all the time? Let us know.